Budget EDC Gear offers practicality without compromising quality or functionality. These affordable tools, including pocket knives, flashlights, and multi-tools, prioritize durability and versatility. With accessible price points, they cater to individuals seeking reliable daily essentials on a budget. While cost-effective, these EDC items still deliver essential features, ensuring convenience and readiness for everyday tasks, making them ideal choices for those seeking value-packed gear without breaking the bank. I included all the link in video description below. Let's dive in. Number 10. Leatherman Super Tool 300 represents a pinnacle in multi-tool functionality and durability, catering to various tasks for professionals and outdoor enthusiasts alike. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel, this iconic tool features 19 different functions, including pliers, wire cutters, knives, saws, screwdrivers, and more, ensuring versatility for various applications. Its robust design and locking mechanisms provide durability and safety during demanding tasks. The Super Tool 300's comfortable handles and easy-access tools allow for convenient and efficient use in challenging situations. With its legendary craftsmanship and reliability, this multi-tool remains an indispensable asset for individuals requiring a comprehensive and rugged tool for everyday use or outdoor adventures. Number 9. Streamlight MicroStream USB Rechargeable Keychain Light embodies compactness and reliability in a versatile illumination tool. Designed for everyday carry, this keychain light boasts a powerful output of 250 lumens, providing ample brightness for various tasks. Its durable and lightweight aluminum construction ensures durability while remaining convenient to carry. The USB rechargeable feature adds convenience, allowing for easy recharging on the go. With a compact size suitable for pocket or keychain attachment, the MicroStream offers a reliable lighting solution for everyday use, emergencies, or outdoor adventures, catering to individuals seeking a compact and powerful illumination tool for various situations. Number 8. Kershaw Creo Folding Knife is a testament to precision engineering and durability in a compact design. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel and a tough titanium carbonitride coating, this folding knife exhibits exceptional strength and corrosion resistance. The Cryo's SpeedSafe assisted opening mechanism ensures swift and smooth one-handed deployment, providing quick access to its razor-sharp blade. The sturdy frame lock design secures the blade during use, instilling confidence in its reliability for various cutting tasks. Its ergonomic handle with strategic texturing ensures a secure grip, while the deep carry pocket clip allows for convenient everyday carry, combining quality materials with practical design. The Kershaw Creo stands as a reliable and versatile pocket knife catering to outdoor enthusiasts, professionals, and everyday users alike. Number 7. Trayvax Ascent Minimalist EDC Wallet represents a perfect fusion of functionality and durability in a sleek design. Crafted from top-grade stainless steel and Minimalist PEC elastic, this wallet offers rugged resilience against wear and tear while maintaining a minimalist profile. Its expandable elastic strap securely holds cards and cash, while the stainless steel frame provides added protection and RFID blocking capability. With its slim and compact build, the Ascent ensures ease of carry in pockets without bulkiness. The integrated bottle opener adds versatility to its functionality. This wallet's durability, sleek appearance, and practical design make it an ideal everyday carry solution for individuals seeking a blend of style, functionality, and durability in their wallet. Number 6. Schrade SCA9MC Mini Landshark Assisted Opening Tech Folder stands as a compact and reliable everyday carry knife, embodying quality craftsmanship and versatility. Crafted with durable stainless steel, this knife features an assisted opening mechanism for quick and effortless blade deployment. Its Tanto-style blade design ensures durability and versatility in various cutting tasks. The reliable liner lock mechanism provides secure blade lockup during use. The textured G10 handle offers a comfortable and secure grip, enhancing precision and control. Compact yet robust, this pocket knife with its pocket clip allows for convenient carry, making it an excellent choice for everyday use or as a backup tool for outdoor adventures, catering to individuals seeking a compact and dependable EDC knife. Number 5. Sog Micro ToolClip is a compact and versatile multi-tool designed for everyday convenience and functionality. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this pocket-sized tool features 9 essential functions, including pliers, scissors, screwdrivers, and more. Its compact design allows it to be easily carried in a pocket or clipped onto a belt or backpack with the integrated pocket clip. The spring-loaded pliers make one-handed operation efficient, while the comfortable G10 handle provides a secure grip during use. Whether used for everyday tasks, quick fixes, or emergency needs, the Sog Micro ToolClip proves to be a reliable and portable companion for individuals seeking a practical and compact multi-tool for various situations. Number 4. CRKT Pazoda is a compact and functional folding knife designed for everyday carry and utility. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel, this pocket-friendly knife boasts a versatile 6.25-inch blade, offering durability and precision for various cutting tasks. Its frame-lock design ensures secure blade engagement during use, enhancing safety and reliability. The sleek stainless steel handle provides a comfortable grip, while the unique blade shape allows for efficient slicing and piercing. With its lightweight and compact build, the Pazoda easily fits into pockets or clips onto gear, making it a practical and reliable choice for everyday cutting needs, or as a backup tool for outdoor adventures, catering to individuals seeking a dependable and versatile EDC knife. Number 3. Gerber Dime stands as a compact and versatile multi-tool, offering functionality and convenience for daily tasks. Crafted from durable stainless steel, this pocket-sized tool incorporates 12 essential functions, including pliers, scissors, screwdrivers, and a blade. Its compact design easily fits in pockets or attaches to keychains, ensuring accessibility whenever needed. The butterfly opening design facilitates smooth and effortless access to the various tools. With features like spring-loaded pliers and a unique package opener, the Gerber Dime proves useful for everyday needs, quick fixes, or emergency situations, making it an ideal companion for individuals seeking a practical and portable multi-tool for diverse tasks in their daily lives. Number 2. BLITZ Mini Tactical Pocket Knife embodies reliability and versatility in a compact design. Crafted with high-grade stainless steel, this pocket-sized knife features a 2.75-inch blade designed for precision cutting and durability. Its robust frame lock mechanism ensures secure blade deployment and stability during use. The ergonomically designed G10 handle offers a comfortable grip and control, enhancing the knife's utility for various cutting tasks. With its lightweight and compact profile, the BLITZ Mini Tactical Pocket Knife easily slips into pockets or clips onto gear, making it an ideal choice for everyday carry or as a backup tool for outdoor excursions, catering to individuals seeking a dependable and efficient pocket knife for diverse cutting needs. Number 1. Sparkr Insert stands as a versatile and innovative tool designed to upgrade traditional lighters into dual-functioning devices. Crafted with durable materials, this insert is a rechargeable electric lighter with a built-in flashlight, combining 2 essential tools into one compact unit. It features a powerful electric dual-arc lighter capable of lighting in various weather conditions without the need for fuel. The integrated LED flashlight adds an extra layer of functionality, providing illumination in low-light situations. Its rechargeable nature and compatibility with standard lighters make it a convenient and versatile accessory for outdoor activities, camping, or everyday use, catering to individuals seeking a reliable and multifunctional tool for lighting and illumination needs.